Hi, I'm going to make this video showing you how to set up your gradebook in RenWeb. Start here with the ever-friendly front page after I logged in. I'm going to go to Gradebook, and I'm going to slide on down to my astronomy class. There you go. Asked for astronomy. And the first thing I want to do is just pop up here to the setup. Click. Do I want to do a weighted percentage, which I would call a weighted average? Or do I want to do a point system, or some combination of the two? I always do weighted percentage. Feel free to choose whichever one of these you want. I'm most familiar with setting up a weighted percentage calculation type. What do you want to do with incompletes? Well, I want them to be zeros. And when we do a progress report, full details. These things were set globally or for everybody, and you don't want to mess with this guy either. This tells us what an A plus is, the range for A's, the range for A minuses. We want to leave those alone. Feel free to look at them and make sure they're correct. Make sure that the C plus is 77, 78, or 79. But those are all good, and we're doing it as a term. We would call it a trimester. RenWeb calls it a term. So I'm going to click out of that. And I'm going to go first to homework. This word, has too many letters, so I'm going to change that. I'm going to click on the homework tab. No assignments yet. And go to the category, edit. And I'm going to change this title to HW. And that now will allow this weighted average, this is worth 10% of their grade, it will allow this to show up on the screen, and I can see it whenever I log in. I'm going to save and exit, and there is HW10. If you have the word homework, it's too many letters, and the 10 gets bumped. I'm going to go ahead and add another category. The category is going to be called exam, and that's my trimester exam. And those have a weight minimum 25%. Remember, this represents percents down here. I'm going to save and exit that. And there it is. It appeared 25%, homework at 10%. I'm going to add another category. And just call it test. And these are unit or chapter tests. And I'm going to give them a weight, let's say 40%, which is quite a bit, but these kids are older. We've got tests, we've got homework, we've got exams, and I'm going to do participation, which I often just do that. And then I write more fully, participation. And I give that a weight of 10. Pretty exciting so far, isn't it? 25, 35, 45, 85. So we got some left over. I'm going to add a quiz. And guess what? These are quizzes. Could be projects too. And I'm going to give that, 15 I think is the right number. 25, 35, 45, 50, 60, 100. There we go. So I am done setting up my gradebook. When I want to actually enter information, I just click up here on homework or participation or whatever, and I add a new assignment. And we'll do that in a different video. There you go.